Yeah, I'm pretty tired right now. What's going on, son? I just finished demoing all the bushes around a stupid haystack. For crying out loud, who picks these? Seriously, are these like big old grass things for a bush? They end up with a lot of hay. Who picks these out? They need to get fired. Because that's just stupid. That's just stupid. That serves no purpose. Unless you have a horses. Yeah, you got your little tree there, buddy. But these trees are the last two to go. And they're actually the worst out of all the bushes. These are the worst. And the reason why is because this will grow into a 10 to 40 foot tree. And its roots expand past the width of the tree, which is about 10 foot or so. So these roots, they would destroy the foundation. This has to go. Never, ever, ever plant trees right next to your foundation. That's the stupidest idea ever. Whoever did this needs to get fired. I don't care who thought about this. It's a horrible idea. But these trees are about to go. And I'm going to do it. You pulling the tree now? You pulling the tree? Yeah. And other than that, I'm going to be uprooting these roots. They're pretty easy because this isn't weed stuff, and these trees are kind of young, so getting a shovel and digging these roots out, that's gonna be an easy fix. Then here's the other one, about to take the rest of that. Well, than that, there's the start of our landscaping. Wifey wants to redesign this all, and I think either flowers or some type of fruit or something, anything than bushes, because bushes, they really serve no purpose other than how they look. But flowers, they help pollinators bring more honey. I love bees and whatnot. So yeah, we're gonna redesign our whole landscaping. This is the stuff that makes you a little sad. These birds, this isn't the original nest. There was another nest in one of these bushes, but this bush right here, and I was about to uproot it with my shovel, I came across a kind of half-broken egg, and these two birds, these chicks, they're still alive. They're going to die. Whenever this happens, the parent birds abandon the babies, and as you can tell, they're extremely brand new. They're gonna die, unfortunately. Unfortunately, that's what happens whenever they put their nest in the bushes. So that's what happens. Okay, so what did I do today? Today, I mowed this entire property right here. Over there, there's my little line. It's a yellow line that goes all the way down. Mowed all that, so the whole property got mowed. Then I went and re-landscaped around the entire house, which was all those bushes you saw me chopping down earlier. I also dug out the root system. I stopped partway over there because overall I had worked over 8 hours on just doing that. I just came back over here to level everything out and clean up the weeds. Now, you might be asking, well, what did I do with all the debris? Over here, got my fire pit. What I'm going to be doing with this fire pit is I got to wait until these right over here get dry enough. So it's going to take about a week or two, 3 weeks tops, and then this will be dry enough to burn. So I'm just going to leave that right there. That's a good height to keep everything nice and safe. And here's the rest of it. And here's the stupid sticky bushes. The ones that have thorns. Oh, actually, it's over there. They're the dead last that's going to be burned. But these roots have to dry out as well before I burn them. And then these are all the weeds. There was like so many weeds I had to pull up. It was horrible. Well, overall, the total time. Oh yeah, the hay from that side right there. Those two big old bushes. That side and that side. That hay was crazy. But all of this is eventually going to get burned Although the weeds, I might do something else with them. I'm not sure if I'll be able to, if they're going to turn into compost. You don't want to use that compost for your garden, never with weeds. But I'll figure something out. But yeah, so total time 8 hours and a half, 30 minutes to clean up, 8 hours to do the job. But feels good.